he ate tonight. Remember? Extra beef.
Wow, look how fast you're going. Oh.
Yeah, because it's not stable then. Oh, it's so fair.
He's just pant leg is on. Go ahead, Gabe. You got it.
You want to go towards mommy? Yeah. Okay, go the other way. Turn around. Oh.
Sailor's liquored up.
Okay, good.
I think it's harder for mommy to turn than it
Go
is.
get mommy.
Come on, Gabe. Wow, good job. You coming to me?
Come see
Come
mommy.
on. Wow, you mowed right into me. Good job. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. He
Okay.
is sweating. Yay!
Alright, come here.
Here we go.
Come here, bud.
Because he knows his freedom.
Yeah. Okay. You don't even have to use your big old walker.
Here we
Ready?
go.
Go ahead.
Go.
Start walking.
Whoa.
Walk.
Go.
Come to mama. Come to mama. Slow down.
This
Slow
sailor's
down.
out a lot.
That's it. Good job. Whoa. Good.
Oh.
Do you want to go to mommy?
Let him try and get up on his own, Matt.
Except it moves.
Well, no, if you hold it though.
Oh, yeah. Okay, next time. Ready?
Here comes Gabe. Go. Wow.
He's bending his knees.
Yeah. You're gonna get down?
You want mom to fix your pants? Okay, and then go to mommy. Go get doggy.
Come get Dougie. Look, here he is. Whoa, you mowed right
He
into me.
just turned.
Yeah, he did.
Turn around, Gabe.
Turn towards Daddy. Go.
Go.
There's Jiffy. Go get Jiffy.
Let's go get Jeff. Come on. Can we get
Is he
Jeff?
gonna go backwards?
Can we get Jeff? Back up. Go backwards. Go backwards.
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay.
Okay, go get Daddy.
Go get Daddy.
Come here, Gabe.
See him just turn?
Yeah.
Come here, bud.
Wow.
Come on. Come to Dada.
Hold on.
Oh, he tried to hold it.
That was a close one. Look at you. Here you come. Here comes your doggy.
Up, slow down. That's it. Can you get up?
I cannot believe you just did that. Good job. Did you see him do that? Turn around to Daddy. Here, doggy's with Daddy now.
Go ahead. Turn
Get
around.
Daddy.
Come this way, Gabe.
Beep beep. Yeah,
Can you
beep
come
beep
this
towards
way?
Mama.
Move it this way.
Turn around.
Would you like help? Yeah. That's
He's got it. He's got it. You
just
got
a little
it.
bit this way. That's it.
There you go.
He's sweaty. That's how hard he's working.
Yeah.
Go to Daddy.
Gabe, look.
Chip's running for dear life.
Just life is ended once he starts walking.
Yeah.
Can you get up?
Oh, close one.
Okay.
No, wait,
Up,
wait,
up.
don't touch it,
I'm
don't touch
just-
it.
I'm
Let's
just-
see if he-
ahead.
I wonder if he can get up on his hands without that. Gabe, can you get up?
I'm watching. Go
Go
ahead.
ahead. I was just gonna support it. So
Because I wonder if he puts his hands down if he can get up.
Well, he did before.
he was mad.
All right, stand up.
Look.
Look, see? That's what I mean. That's what I mean. You got it.
Got it.
Good job. Or nice against the
Well,
wall.
thank you all.
Back against the wall.
He knew what to do. Did
That
that.
is so funny.
Get up, bud. Put your
Okay.
hands on the floor and push.
Watch his head, Matt.
He's fine.
Oh my god.
Good job!
He's not going to need the blue walker very long.
No. Oh, you want to come towards me? Okay. Good thing Mama's phone hasn't run out of storage yet, miraculously.
Alright.
Beep, beep. Here comes Gabe. Towards your truck. Yeah, towards your trash truck.
Hey, thank you, Auntie Elise, for the
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're turning.
Now turn and go to Daddy.
Go to Dada. Here, look, doggies with Dada. Go get doggy and Dada. He's got it. Okay,
You can
stand
get
up.
You can get up. You're a big boy.
Stand up and go towards Dada.
Stand up. Come to Daddy.
It's a wonderful night in the rough house.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. We're eating ice cream tonight.
Maybe that's what
That's what it is.
That's what
I
it
think it
is.
was the beef.
I think it's the ice cream he had afterwards. He is loving it.
Yeah.
Come on. Good boy. You want to turn around?
You want to go around? Okay, come see me.
You gonna come towards Mama?
You gotta learn how to turn this rig. You turn? Turn it. Turn it. Good boy. Keep turning.
Come on, you overlap the wheels about 3 inches on the grass. Come on. Turn it around to Mama.
Did you say all done?
Yeah.
Okay, walk towards mommy. Walk towards mommy.
Come on.
You want the
You
lawnmower?
want the mower? Do you want the mower? Say mower, please.
This really doesn't hold him up.
No, it's
It
super.
doesn't hold him up at all.
Just give him a little.
He can apply the right pressure to hold himself up.
Your trash truck, I see it.
Turn.
Turn. Wow.
Crash.
Crash.
Did you crash into Mommy? Crash into Daddy now. Turn around.
Come to Daddy.
Go to Daddy.
Oh, doggy's over there.
Should we go get Doggy and Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, turn
Go
the
ahead.
mower.
Mama.
Mower.
Can you turn it?
You want a little
Come to
help?
Daddy. Turn around.
The mower. You can do it. Good job.
How much for all that expensive medical equipment? Yeah, mower. Watch. Go towards Daddy.
Come here,
Go
bud.
that way. There he did it.
Come on.